and we're gonna go shoot it indoors just to see how effective this compensator or brake really is. When we shot it originally, when we first got it, we shot it outdoors up at gun sight, and you could actually see the flame coming out of it. But what we're gonna do now, this tanker brake is gonna redirect the gases to the sides, preventing the pistol to push back. And it actually does a really good job. I already sighted it in around 20 yards. We're shooting indoors. We're gonna re-sight it in for a longer distance when we go back outside. But let's go ahead and shoot it.